Old time, when they cooked up the 1871 Act of Congress, that whole Act of Congress was to denationalize the Moors further from their nationality. They flipped from colored people to persons of color. You see how they still got to inject the color in there? They're injecting denationalization, caste system slavery. This is where it get interesting at. The term national, as used in the phrase national of the United States, is broader than the term citizen. Didn't Noble Drew Ali say, just because you're born here don't make you a citizen? He was talking about nationality and the lack thereof. A color person. It's such phrases as colored persons, persons of color, the color race, colored man, colored women. What does it say? It has been held that there is no legal technical signification to the phrase quote unquote colored person, which the courts are bound judicially to know. Oh my God. But really, what does all that mean? You put yourself in a graveyard, but see, you're not physically dead though. See, this is the Jedi mind trick though. This is why we got to start learning law. Our people are not dead physically. Politically, we dead. Our status is dead. You see, you don't have protection because the living can't hear the dead. The dead don't have rights. So the problems with our people is we keep thinking that adjectives, black, brown, melanated, we think that those are nationalities, and that's the problem. So you're not physically dead, but death has two sides. This is why we bring out the law books. Look the word death up. Death's first side is the cessation of life, the ceasing to exist. That's when the blood stops flowing in the body, the circulation stops in the body. Civil death is the other side of death. Just because you're not dead physically doesn't mean that you're not dead politically. That means all your human rights are dead. All your indigenous rights are dead when you identify as black, person of color, Indian, Native American, Hebrew, you dead civilly. The state of a person who, though possessing natural life, that means you're still alive now. Your body is still alive. Your heart pumping, your blood flowing. But you have lost all your civil rights. You've lost all your human rights. You've lost everything. And you are considered dead. This is the problem and the solution for our people. It seems like it's slight, but it's everything. Because when you deal with color, you're dealing with appearance, semblance, or simulacrum, as distinguished from that which is real. So if you say you're a colored anything, then you're dealing with something that's not real. You're not real. You see?